Now, dear student of class 12, today I am going to continue with the derivative. The topic is derivative. It's a very vast chapter. So, we'll do different kind of derivative today. That is u to the power v form, or u to the power v form. This u to the power v form, or you can say variable to the power variables. Now, if it is in case of y is equals to variable to the power variable, you can take log on both sides. That method is also valid, but I'll do in a little bit different way, the formula way. dy dx, a formula that you have to remember. dy dx of u to the power v means u to the power v dy dx of v into log u. This formula, if you use this formula, you can solve the numerical in a shortcut way. Now say, I'll apply this formula in this question. Y is equals to x to the power x. Now say, u is x, v is also x. Now directly I'll differentiate. Differentiating with respect to x. Now what we'll get? dy by dx equals to. Now then I'll use this formula, u to the power v. The same thing that you have to write x to the power x, then dy dx. So in this question, u is x, v is also x. That is x into log x. Now next, you have to apply u into v formula, product form. u ddx of log x plus log x dy dx of x. Now this is a shortcut method to solve variable to the power variable form. dy dx of log x is 1 over x plus log x, and derivative of x is 1. These two quantities get cancelled. Now it is x to the power x within bracket 1 plus log x. It's the required answer. Now another question. Now in this question, it is in terms of y is equals to x to the power cos x. X is u, cos x is v. This one is also variable to the power variable form, or we can say this is u to the power v form. Directly we can differentiate this function, differentiating with respect to x. Now then this one will be dy over dx equals to, the formula is there, x to the power or u to the power v, x to the power cos x, dy dx of then v log of u is x. In this case, v is cos x, u is x. Again, you have to apply the product formula, u into v form. It is first dy dx of second plus second dy dx of first, x to the power cos x into cos x, derivative log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative cos x is minus sin x. Now then it is x to the power cos x into cos x divided by x minus into plus minus. First I'll write sin x, then log x. I'll leave the answer like this only. You can take LCM also x. Now in this question it is given y is equals to cos x to the power log x. For this question, cos x is u, log x is v. I'll apply this formula. Same way, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equals to cos x to the power log x into v into, first you have to write dy dx of v, that is log x into log of cos x. Now then I'll apply the formula over here. Cos x to the power log x into product form. First dy dx of second, that is log of cos x plus log of cos x dy dx of log x. Now this is cos x to the power log x. Now there are two functions. First you have to differentiate log then cos. Derivative log cos x is 1 over cos x into the derivative cos x is minus sin x plus log cos x into the derivative log x is 1 by x. Now then I'll simplify these things. Cos x to the power log x within bracket, this is negative. First I'll write the positive answer. Log cos x whole divided by x. Now then I'll write this minus sin upon cos is tan x into this log x. That's Now this is a little bit different, but this is also variable to the power variable form. Now in this question there are two functions, x to the power x square plus a to the power x square. Now this function, first function is x to the power x square, means this is in terms of u to the power v form. This one is a direct derivative, we can use a to the power x formula. This is u to the power v, this one is not a u to the power v form. So I'll differentiate this particular functions by this method and this one by the direct method. Now try to understand these things. Differentiating with respect to x, dy over dx equals to dy dx of this formula will be u to the power v dy dx of u. U means v means it is x square into log x plus, now the derivative of a to the power x square means a to the power x formula. Derivative of e to the power x square is a to the power x square log a to the base e into the derivative of x square is 2x. Now then this is x to the power x square. Now then I'll use u into v, u dy dx of v plus v dy dx of u plus, then first I'll write 2x into a to the power x square log a to the base e. Now x to the power x square, it is, let's say x square into the derivative log x is 1 upon x plus log x into the derivative of x square is 2x. 2x e to the power x square log a to the base e. Cancel. X to the power x square, within bracket we can write x, then 2x log x plus 2x e to the power x square log a to the base e. Now you can take x common from this also, or you can leave your answer like this and you will get full marks. Now once again same kind of question. Y is equals to e to the power sine inverse x plus root x to the power x. Now this one is exponential, e to the power sine inverse x. Exponential functions, directly we can differentiate these functions, but root x to the power x, that you have to use u to the power v formula. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. Derivative of e to the power sine inverse x is e to the power sine inverse x into the derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by under root 1 minus x square plus now the derivative of u to the power v. The formula will be u to the power v d by dx of v into log root x. Now this one is e to the power sine inverse x divided by under root 1 minus x square plus, now then I'll use u into v formula, d by dx of log of root x plus log of root x into d by dx of x. Now say over here d by dx of log of root x means first you have to differentiate the log functions, then root x function. Derivative of log root x is 1 over root x into the derivative of root x is 1 over 2 root x plus log root x and derivative of x is 1. Now over here, say 2. X into 1 is x. This is 2 is over here. Root x into root x is x plus log of root x. Now x get cancelled. The answer will be, whether it is visible or not, sine inverse over under root 1 minus x square plus root x to the power x, within bracket it is 1 by 2 plus log of root x. With what? Answer. Now from variable to the power variable, this much of numericals I'll do today. Now the next video I'll upload the derivative of implicit functions. That one is also the new concept that you will learn in derivative, the derivative of implicit function. And for this video, this was only I'm going to solve today. It's over. Now next video, tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow I'll upload. The topic will be the derivative of implicit functions. Thank you.